Cleaning and detailing your car's wheels enhances its overall appearance and protects them from dirt and brake dust. Luckily, there are simple steps to clean and detail your wheels for showroom quality. Dishwashing liquid soap is a mild yet powerful cleaner that effectively removes dirt, grease, and grime from car wheels. First, take a bucket and add a few drops of dishwashing liquid soap. Then, fill the bucket with water to create a soapy solution. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. Next, spray the solution onto the car wheel. Wash it off with water. After that, spray the solution again onto the wheel. Scrub the wheel with a brush for 10 minutes to remove dirt and grime. Use a small circular brush to scrub the inner corners of the tire to ensure all dirt is removed. Rinse the wheel with fresh water. Allow the wheel to dry. Finally, clean the wheel with a microfiber cloth. Now you can see your car wheel is clean and shiny. Vinegar is a natural and affordable way to clean wheels, removing dirt and grime effectively. Take a spray bottle and add some baking soda to it. Then, pour in a small amount of vinegar. The mixture will fizz up, and it's ready for use. Spray this mixture over the car tire, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then scrub the wheel with the brush. This step will remove all the stubborn dirt and debris from the wheels. Then rinse the wheel with water. After that, dry all the surfaces with the microfiber cloth. This method keeps your tires looking new and well maintained. Wheel and Tire Cleaner is a special product designed to clean dirt, grime, and brake dust from your wheels and tires. Using it regularly keeps your tires looking new and well maintained. Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner helps remove dirt, brake dust, and grime from wheels and tires. Simply spray it on the microfiber cloth and apply on the wheel, let it sit, and rinse off for a spotless finish. It helps maintain your wheels' shine and keeps tires looking fresh. So, by applying these effective methods and product, you can clean and detail your wheels for showroom quality.